present today, class?
None, ma'am.
It's good to see that you are all present today. Okay, but before that, what are the things that we need to obey while the teacher is discussing in front of you?
Ma'am,
Please read this, Janet.
ma'am, the first one we do, if the teacher is talking in front, is we listen carefully. Second one is raise your right hand if you want to answer. And the third one is stay quiet and avoid distraction. And the fourth one is to follow the teacher's instruction. Sit properly, respond appropriately, and the last one is show respect.
Okay, very good. You may now take your seat. So, if you can still remember that last meeting we talked about use plural form of frequently occurring irregular nouns, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the plural form of tooth?
Pick, ma'am.
Yes, very good. And what is the plural form of child?
Children, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Janet. So, before we start our lesson, I want you to show you a video clip for us to watch. And after that, I will be asking a few questions, so take note and observe properly, class. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so based on that video clip that you have watched, what do you think will be our lesson for today? Yes, Janet?
Ma'am, it's all about vowels.
Yes, possible. So, our topic for today is all about review, reading, and writing short A, E, I, O, U words in CBC pattern. So, before we proceed to our lesson, let me divide you into two groups. This is the group 1 and this is the group 2. From group 1, so look at each picture and then recognize the CBC words with short vowel sound in words, phrases, and sentences. Understand group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
So from group 2, read the short form and answer the questions that follow. Understand group 2? Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're done, kindly share your answers to the class. Every group have one volunteer to come in front, and after that, paste your group work on the board. Group 1.
This is the work of group 1. So, we recognize the CVC word with short vowel by sentence or short phrases. The first one is bed, cab, a big fish, a fat dog, and the last one is a bag on the car.
Yes, very good. You will now I give them a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Very good, group 1. And group 2, kindly share your answers.
This is the work of group 2. So, we read the short story entitled My Path, The Cat by Mark Phil, I Taxi. So, we answer the following question. The first one question is, who was a cat? Who has a cat? The answer is Matt. And number 2 is, what did they do in the farm? They ran. And then the last question is, if you were Matt, what would you do if you find Pat? So the answer is, if I were Matt, if I were Matt the cat, I would around, listen for Pat's voice, check favorite spots, meow loudly, and climb a high place to look for them.
Yes, very good. Kindly give group 2 a mayaman clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You may now take your seat. So today, let's move on to our topic. So our topic for today is all about CVC or consonant vowel consonant. So Janet, please read the first sentence.
The alphabet is divided into 2 groups. Letter A, vowels, A, E, O, U, and letter B, consonant, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, V, X, Y, Z.
Okay, very good. So the alphabet is used to make a word. Like for examples of CVC words of pattern. So this is examples of CVC words of pattern. Run, pot, pet, gym, toy, and sun. So the consonants here are the R, and the vowel which is short vowel a. A. The short vowel sound a is pronounced as a. This can be produced by opening the mouth wide enough to release the air from lungs. Janet, please read the examples.
Examples: hum, dad, bad, wax, and mat.
Yes, very good. Can you give another 5 examples of CVC words with short vowel A?
Jam, mat, fat, cat, sad.
Yes, very good. So, the second one is CVC words with short vowel E. The short vowel sound E is pronounced as E. This can be produced by opening slightly wide enough to release the air from the lungs. So, please read the examples.
Web, sec, bed, jam, her, jet.
So, can you give another 5 examples of CVC words, short vowel E?
Red, bed, web, pen.
Yes, very good. So, the third one is CVC words with short vowel I. The short vowel sound I is pronounced as E. This can be produced by opening the mouth as if you're smiling and releasing the air from lungs. So, like for examples, bib, kid, big, bin, fix, and dip. In the bin, the pig, and the pig. So, please read the fourth one, CVC words with short vowel U.
CVC words with short vowel O. CVC spelling pattern with short vowel sound O is pronounced as O. This can be pronounced by opening the mouth like the letter O and releasing the air from the lungs. For example, bob, pod, hog, ton.
Yes, very good. So, another examples of CVC words with short vowel O are pat, nad, mop, and sad. So, and the last one is CVC words with short vowel U. The CVC spelling pattern with short vowel sound U is pronounced as This can be produced by opening the mouth and releasing the air from the vocal cords. So, like for examples, cup, mud, jug, cup, hat, jump, cup of tea, the nipa hat, in the tub. So, did you understand our topic for today, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, so we are done to our lesson today. Did you understand our topic for today, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So now if you really understand our lesson for today, what is CVC pattern again?
CVC patterns are the alphabet is divided into 2 groups, which are the first one is vowels and consonants.
Yes, very good. So can someone give at least 1 examples of each words with short vowel a, e, u, u?
Ma'am.
Yes, Janet.
First one is run. Example of O is, for example, CVC pattern, O is bob, bob, and third examples is cub, and then the fourth one is bed.
Yes, very good. So now bring out 1/2 sheet of paper and answer the following. I will give you 10 minutes to do this. done from number 1 and 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, exchange paper at the person at your back and let's check. Who got 10, class?
Ma'am.
Yes, very good, Janet. So, okay, pass your papers forward and secretary kindly get and record your scores, then give it to me afterwards. Okay, class. So, why is it important to carefully recognize CBC words or consonant, vowel, consonant when learning to read? Yes, Janet?
It is important because recognizing CBC words help us to read and write correctly and carefully, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You may now take your seat. There is another activity that I have prepared. You need to do is each sentence and carefully and encircle the CBC words to show precision in recognizing CBC patterns. I will give you 10 minutes to answer this activity. Understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Bring out 1/2 sheet of paper. Are you done, class?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, there are still 5 minutes.
Ma'am, we're done.
Okay, let's check. So, exchange papers at the person at your back. Pass your papers forward, class, and okay, secretary, get and record their scores and give it to me afterwards. Understand? For your assignment, kindly copy this and make a simple sentence of the following words. Hat, man, kid, dog, son, hug, mug, hen, ten, and tin. Understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So you put your assignment on your notebook and pass tomorrow. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Goodbye.